Alaska. The very name evokes a sense of mystery and grandeur, a place where the wild still reigns supreme. Just the name conjures images of towering glaciers, ancient and immense, sculpted by time and nature's relentless forces. Rugged mountains that pierce the sky, home to incredible wildlife like the majestic grizzly bear and the elusive moose, roaming free in their natural habitat. It's a land where nature reigns supreme, a place of vast wilderness and breathtaking beauty. Here, the landscapes stretch as far as the eye can see, untouched and untamed. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel a sense of adventure, of stepping into a world unlike any other. The air is crisp, the scenery awe-inspiring, and the promise of discovery is around every corner. This 7-day itinerary offers a taste of Alaska's diverse landscapes and experiences. From dense forests to towering peaks and from serene rivers to bustling coastal towns, every day brings a new adventure. Get ready to be amazed. Each vista, each encounter with nature will leave you breathless and yearning for more. Alaska is a land of extremes. The weather can change in an instant, transforming the landscape from serene to dramatic, each moment more captivating than the last. It's home to North America's highest peak, Denali, standing tall and proud, a beacon for adventurers and nature lovers alike, and vast stretches of untouched wilderness, where the only sounds are the whispers of the wind and the calls of the wild. But it's also a place of charming towns, rich history, and warm hospitality. The people of Alaska are as diverse and welcoming as the land itself, each with stories to tell and traditions to share. This itinerary will take you from the bustling city of Anchorage, where modern life meets rugged wilderness, to the rugged beauty of Denali National Park, a place where the wild heart of Alaska beats strongest. And from the coastal wonders of Seward, where the sea meets the land in a dance of natural beauty, to the fishing town of Homer, a place where the ocean's bounty is celebrated and the spirit of adventure is alive and well. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're hiking through pristine forests, fishing in crystal clear waters, or simply soaking in the stunning scenery, Alaska promises memories that will last a lifetime. Welcome to Anchorage, Alaska's largest city. Upon arrival, check into your hotel and get settled. Anchorage is a vibrant city surrounded by stunning natural beauty. Start your Alaskan adventure with a walk or bike ride along the Tony Knowles Coastal Trail. This scenic trail offers stunning views of Cook Inlet, the Chugach Mountains, and even the occasional moose. After your invigorating walk, head to 49th State Brewing Company for a taste of local craft beer and delicious food. Their menu features Alaskan specialties like reindeer sausage and fresh seafood. If you have time, consider visiting the Anchorage Museum. This world-class museum showcases Alaska's art, history, and culture. Today, embark on a scenic journey to Denali National Park, one of the most breathtaking and awe-inspiring destinations in Alaska. This park is home to North America's tallest peak, Denali, which stands at a staggering 20,310 feet. The sheer majesty of this mountain and the surrounding wilderness is something that must be experienced to be truly appreciated. You can rent a car and enjoy the freedom of the open road, allowing you to stop and take in the stunning landscapes at your own pace. The drive itself is an adventure, with winding roads that offer panoramic views of the Alaskan wilderness. Imagine cruising along, with the vast expanse of nature unfolding before you, each turn revealing a new and spectacular vista. Alternatively, you can opt for a comfortable bus ride. These guided tours provide insightful commentary about the region's history, wildlife, and geology, enriching your journey with fascinating stories and facts. It's a great way to relax and let someone else do the driving while you focus on the scenery. The journey itself is an adventure, with stunning views of the Alaska Range. These mountains are a sight to behold with their rugged peaks and snow-capped summits. As you travel, you'll have plenty of opportunities to stop and take photos, capturing memories that will last a lifetime. Make a stop at the charming town of Talkeetna. This quaint town is often described as the gateway to Denali and is a must-visit on your journey. With its rustic charm and friendly locals, Talkeetna offers a glimpse into the heart of Alaskan culture. Talkeetna is a quirky town with a rich history. Its historical buildings and unique character make it a fascinating place to explore. The town's roots date back to the early 1900s, and it has managed to retain much of its original charm. It served as a base camp for climbers attempting to summit Denali. Browse the local shops, which offer a variety of unique souvenirs and handmade crafts. You might even meet some of the climbers preparing for their expeditions, adding an element of excitement to your visit. Grab a bite to eat at one of the local restaurants where you can sample delicious Alaskan cuisine. From fresh seafood to hearty comfort food, there's something to satisfy every palate. Enjoy your meal while soaking in the laid-back atmosphere of this charming town, and soak in the unique atmosphere. Talkeetna's vibrant community and lively streets make it a joy to explore. Whether you're chatting with locals, browsing the shops, or simply taking in the sights, you'll find that Talkeetna has a special charm all its own. Once you arrive in Denali National Park, settle into your accommodation and enjoy the serenity of the wilderness. Whether you're staying in a cozy cabin or a rustic lodge, you'll find that the park offers a range of options to suit every preference. The tranquility of the park is a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Take a short hike on one of the trails near the park entrance for breathtaking views. The trails are well maintained and offer a variety of difficulty levels, making them accessible to hikers of all skill levels. As you walk, you'll be surrounded by the natural beauty of Denali, with its diverse flora and fauna. Keep an eye out for wildlife, as the park is home to a variety of animals, including moose, bears, and caribou. The experience of hiking in Denali is one that will stay with you long after you've left the park. Denali National Park is a vast wilderness teeming with wildlife. The park road stretches for 92 miles, offering access to incredible scenery and wildlife viewing opportunities. You can explore the park on your own by taking the park shuttle, or join a guided bus tour for a more immersive experience. Keep your eyes peeled for grizzly bears, caribou, Dall sheep, and wolves. If you're lucky, you might even spot a moose. For a truly unforgettable experience, consider taking a flight seeing tour. Soaring above the park in a small plane or helicopter offers breathtaking views of Denali and its glaciers. Section 5, Day 4, Seward, where mountains meet the sea. Today embark on a scenic drive to Seward, a charming coastal town located on the Kenai Peninsula. The drive itself is an adventure with stunning views of the Chugach Mountains and Turnagain Arm. Make a stop at the Alaska Wildlife Conservation Center for a chance to see rescued and rehabilitated Alaskan animals. You'll see bears, wolves, moose, and more in a natural setting. Once you arrive in Seward, explore the charming harbor town. Visit the Seward Sea Life Center, a marine research and rehabilitation center, to learn about Alaska's marine life. Enjoy a delicious seafood dinner at one of Seward's waterfront restaurants. Section 6, Day 5, Exploring Kenai Fjords' Untamed Beauty. Kenai Fjords National Park is a breathtaking wonderland of glaciers, fjords, and abundant wildlife. The best way to experience the park is by boat. Join a boat tour that takes you through the park's stunning waterways. You'll see towering glaciers, cascading waterfalls, and playful sea otters. Keep your eyes peeled for whales, sea lions, and puffins. For a more adventurous experience, consider kayaking among the icebergs. Back in Seward, visit the Alaska Sea Life Center for an up-close encounter with marine life. Attend the evening show to see puffins being fed. Section 7, Day 6, Homer, the halibut fishing capital. Today, enjoy a scenic drive to Homer, a charming town located on the Kenai Peninsula's southern tip. Homer is known as the halibut fishing capital of the world and boasts stunning views of Kachemak Bay. Explore the Homer Spit, a narrow strip of land that juts out into the bay. Visit the shops, art galleries, and restaurants. Consider taking a halibut fishing trip for a chance to catch your own dinner. Homer is also a great place to go bear viewing. Join a guided tour that takes you to Brooks Falls, where you can watch brown bears catching salmon. Section 8, Day 7, Farewell to the Last Frontier. Today is your last day in Alaska. If you have time before your flight, consider visiting the Pratt Museum. This museum showcases the history and culture of the Kachemak Bay region. Another option is to take a water taxi to Halibut Cove, a charming artist community across the bay. Enjoy a delicious seafood lunch and browse the local art galleries. Afterward, drive back to Anchorage for your flight home. As you leave Alaska, take with you the memories of stunning landscapes, incredible wildlife, and unforgettable adventures. Section 9, Conclusion. Your Alaskan adventure awaits. Alaska, a land of breathtaking beauty and endless adventure, is calling your name. Alaska is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left. Its majestic mountains, pristine rivers, and vast wilderness create a landscape that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Whether you're an avid adventurer or someone seeking tranquility, Alaska has something for everyone. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by its beauty, its vastness, and its spirit of adventure. Imagine stepping off the plane and being greeted by the crisp, clean air and the sight of towering mountains in the distance. Every corner of this state offers a new and exciting experience. This 7-day itinerary offers just a glimpse of what Alaska has to offer. From exploring the vibrant city of Anchorage to venturing into the wilds of Denali National Park, each day is packed with unforgettable experiences. You'll have the chance to see incredible wildlife, hike through stunning landscapes, and immerse yourself in the local culture. The best time to visit Alaska is during the summer months, June to August, when the weather is mild and the days are long. During this time you can enjoy up to 20 hours of daylight, giving you plenty of time to explore and take in the sights. The summer months also bring a burst of life to the region, with wildflowers in bloom and wildlife in abundance. Pack for all types of weather, including rain gear and warm layers. Alaska's weather can be unpredictable, so it's important to be prepared for anything. Layering is key, as temperatures can vary greatly throughout the day. Don't forget to bring a good pair of hiking boots and a camera to capture all the amazing moments. And if you're lucky enough to visit during the winter months, keep an eye out for the northern lights. The winter season offers a completely different but equally magical experience. The nights are long and dark, providing the perfect backdrop for the dazzling display of the aurora borealis. Bundle up and head outside to witness this natural wonder. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Alaskan adventure today. Whether you're dreaming of summer hikes under the midnight sun or winter nights illuminated by the northern lights, Alaska promises an adventure of a lifetime. Begin your journey now and create memories that will last forever.